tactical flashlight that's been to space and back. The original TC1200 by OneTac.com. Have you ever been in a situation where you felt you could be in danger, but you didn't have the right tools to protect yourself? Have you ever needed a super bright light to see your way through the dark? That's why OneTac has developed their ultra-bright, incredibly durable 5-mode tactical flashlight that is now available to the public for the first time. This leading tactical flashlight is used by the country's brave men and women who include our first responders, military, police, search and rescue, and government agencies. Made from the same aircraft-grade aluminum used in fighter jets, the OneTac TC1200 tactical flashlight is your ultimate defense against an unexpected attacker or to simply turn night into day. Powered by Cree LED, this light can put off nearly 1,200 lumens, reaching up to 2 miles with an impressive 100,000 hour lamp life. This is the most powerful single light LED available.